In a devastating blow to Zimbabwe's electoral integrity, a $40 million corruption scandal has been unearthed. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC chairperson Priscilla Chigumba and controversial businessman YaChivhayo stand accused of orchestrating a corrupt deal involving inflated invoices for election materials. Chigumba, notorious for his extravagant lifestyle and close ties to power, allegedly leveraged his proximity to President Emmerson Mnangagwa to secure lucrative contracts. Leaked audios and voice notes exposed Chigumba boasting about his influence and his newfound wealth from the deal. Despite the Youth League's efforts, the ZANU-PF Politburo has remained silent on the issue, raising concerns of widespread corruption within top officials. Chigumba's attempts to apologize have done little to quell public outrage as calls for justice grow louder. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZEC, claims it has more evidence against Chigumba, but action has been slow. As the net tightens, Zimbabweans demand accountability and a transparent investigation into this scandal that threatens the very fabric of the nation's democracy.